I am Flight Lieutenant Jangir. I have put up 40 years of service in Air Force. So now we will have your mock-up exercise. That is an interview, mock-up interview related to M&S services. Hope you have done well in your exams. And now we will have some interaction, which will enable you to face interviews, daily interviews in well-prepared manner. Okay, now my first question. Now you are telling me about yourself, your family background, and your studies. Yes, Ria, please speak on.
Okay, sir. Sir, good morning, sir.
Good morning to you.
Sir, I am Sheila Gurjar. I am a resident of Tonk, Rajasthan, which is also known as Nawabi Nagari as well as Lucknow of Rajasthan. I am a simple, caring and understanding girl. I am a third-year student of BSc Botany at Vardhaman Mahavir Open University, Kota. I completed my 12th from Kendriya Vidyalaya Air Force Uttarlai, and I got 69.8% in that. And I was also appreciated at Dev Narayan Trust for this. I completed my 10th from Army Public School, Gopalpur, Odisha, and I secured 9 CGPA in that. My family consists of 6 members, my father, and we are 4 sisters. My father named Lance Naik Mathuralal Gurjar, and he served in Army Air Defense for 24 years at the post of Havaldar as a radar operator, and currently he is serving at Defense Security Corps as Lance Naik at Bangalore. Talking about my hobbies, my hobbies are like listening to music, spending time with my family and friends, and gardening. When I was in my 12th class, I participated in inter-house throwball competition in which our house got first position. I also used to participate in school assembly and annual day functions. And I also used to participate in sports weeks which were organized in my school. And so that's all about me.
What game do you play?
Yes, sir.
What game do you play in sports?
So basically, when I was participating in my school weeks, I used to participate in 100-meter race, shot put, and long jump.
So what was your achievements during your student life?
Yes, so means I participated in my 12th class in my throwball competition in which our house got first position, and I got third rank in shot put, and that's this much so.
What is your favorite subject?
So my favorite subject is biology.
Good. Can you tell me what is first aid?
Yes, sir.
What is first aid? What is first aid? First aid. You heard about first aid?
Yes, sir.
That is the medical first aid.
Yes, sir. So this is the first treatment given to an injured patient. First if someone got any wounded, means if someone got wound, then we just wash his or her wound, and then we just applied some like Dettol or any kind of so that the wound doesn't get infection, and then we just applied a bandage to it.
Okay, just I want to remind you, it is not a treatment you are giving, but it is a help you are rendering till the medical expert advice or medical expert is available. Okay, no problem. Okay, now tell me about your hobbies. Tell me about your hobbies during the leisure times you do.
Okay, so my hobbies are listening to music, gardening, and spending time with my family and friends.
I see. Why did you select this M&S job? Who inspired you?
Yes, sir. Sir, because I'm very much passionate to be in the M&S services, and sir, I find myself that I possess some of the traits which are required in M&S services, and I believe that I can just get to learn a lot of things during my if I get into the trainings in the M&S service, I will get to learn a lot of things during my training days, and this much, sir.
Can you tell me what are the M&S centers, training centers?
Yes, sir. Sir, yes, sir. Sir, there are 6 centers for M&S training. One is at Delhi, second one is at Lucknow, third one is at Bangalore, fourth one is at Pune, and fifth one is at Ashwini, Mumbai, and second one is at Kolkata.
Good, good.
Yes,
can you tell me the full form of HIV?
Sir, it's a human immunodeficiency virus.
What about AIDS?
Sir, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome.
Can you tell me something about the urgent epidemic going on? We are facing the problem.
Yes, sir. So the present pandemic going on is COVID-19, which is a form of coronavirus, and it's mainly affecting the respiratory tract of the humans, which enables them to breathe properly, and this lead to like suffocation, and ultimately the patient dies. Some symptoms of COVID-19 are like problem in breathing, headache, coughing, and all these are some of the symptoms, sir.
What is your weakness and what is your strength?
So my strengths are I'm very dedicated, determined, and a patient girl. And talking about my weaknesses, I'm not so good at cooking and drawing.
Okay. So what you are doing to come over your weaknesses?
Sir, I'm for cooking. I'm spending time with my mother whenever she goes for cooking. So I'm just improving myself in this. And for drawing, I just whenever I get my spare time, I just go for drawing. So
Tell me, what is your future plan if you are not being selected in M&S services?
yes, sir. Sir, as this is my last attempt, if I didn't get selected in the M&S services, then I will go for other exams. So.
How many attempts you made earlier?
Sir, I have this was my 4th attempt, and this is the first time I cleared the written examination, and there I'm sitting there to give my interview.
Interview will be facing first time.
Yes, sir.
You will be facing. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Why do you? Can you tell me about the rank structure of army
Yes,
officers?
sir. Yes, sir. Sir, lieutenant, captain, major, lieutenant colonel, colonel, brigadier, major general, lieutenant general, and general.
Who is senior in the rank? Army captain or naval captain?
Sir, I think it's naval captain.
Naval captain equivalent to army?
Sir,
What
I
rank?
don't have any idea about this.
Achha.
Yes, sir.
That is a colonel, full colonel. That is called full colonel. One is lieutenant colonel, colonel.
Yes.
Colonel is equivalent to captain. Have you attended any other competitive exams?
Yes, sir. I have written other competitive exams too.
Who is your best friend and why did you like him most?
So my best friend is Shaishri, because she's like me only. Like I'm very friendly in nature, and I have very good sense of humor. So she's also means like me. So that's why I like her very much, and she's very supportive. Whenever I feel very stressed or I get demotivated, she's always there to help me out. So this is the reason I like her the most.
Okay, Saluja, it was a very good. You are very bold and be prepared. I wish you all the best. Thank you very much.
Yes, sir.